Namaste friends, and hello, live coming to you from Agra in India. And we are today here seeing the big one, the big thing we've all been waiting for. We're here at the Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal, of course, is one of the great wonders of the world, one of the modern wonders of the world, built in the 1600s. And it's actually not Hindu. There were rulers called the Mughals who came to India, and they brought with them the Islamic religion. So this is an Islamic monument, but actually it's a monument to love. This is a monument that was built to honor the wife of a Mughal emperor who died in birth after giving birth to 14 children. Well, if I gave birth to 14 children, I would really want the man who I had them with to make me something like this too, because that's a lot of kids. So this is one of the greatest travel experiences that's available to people in the modern world. So let's go with all the other people, there's a lot of people, and see the entrance to the Taj Mahal. So come along with me. Chala chala, we say in Hindi. So here's the main gate. There's little domes up there, and those domes represent the 21 years that it took to build the Taj Mahal. Red sandstone is everywhere, and that is why the Taj Mahal is really architecturally something so special, is because it is not red. Look at all the people, all the ladies in their beautiful, beautiful saris. Here we go. And ready for it? Here we go. It's going to come into view for you here. It's like a dream, I have to tell you guys. This is absolutely magnificent. So one of the greatest travel moments that the world can afford you. Let's have a zoom to the Taj. Taj Mahal, sorry. Lots of people with cell phones here, obviously doing the same thing that I'm doing. Let's zoom out a little bit. So this is the entrance gate palace, which is very beautiful. And then let's go back over here and have a look at the Taj.